the 2020 Dow Jones Industrial Average super bear market rally straight up. Look at that. Look at these diamonds. Look at them out of bid popping. Well, this is what we talk about, bear market rallies. You've heard me talk about it time and time again. And our application, our algos, our algorithms, oh yes. And they are working really nicely today. And so, like I said, bear markets pay. Oh my goodness, does it overpay today in that option pit, my friend? Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Do not cheat yourself. Listen, we made the lows. We had the turn. You can see the algos. Those diamonds are robots. There are robots. They track. They're algos that we built and designed. They're mathematical. Math doesn't never lie. And each line represents a certain common denominator, but it doesn't matter. What it does is it guides you all the way up to the top, and then you exit. It's a bear market rally. Triple indicators so oversold, you get to a point where that Federal Reserve can even come in and buy stocks behind closed doors using ETFs, futures, and all kinds of things that people don't know about. So we identify it when it's going to happen, and then we make a ton of money on it. And then what do? We do what we do best. We ring that cash register, my friends. You heard me. You are my friends, each and every one of you. You know why? There's nothing better than having Panther, the trading platform, when it is running straight up and it tells you to stay in and it takes you right up to the very top. We will show you mathematically that 1/16th trend line right here went straight down, it bounced, and then we finally made these lows once again. And that we did. And this is on a 3-minute chart, just so everyone understands the time frame and where the breakout started and what bear market rallies are about using this platform mathematically. It does not lie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it pulls back, and then it races out and closes up toward the high, 2,112.29, 98 pennies, 11.3%. So identifying it, and then equities and ETFs and various other instruments are also racing higher, and you can get paid 3 or 4 different ways on 3 or 4 different entries during that rally. And then what do we do best? It's a bear market rally. So what do? We always sell into it. Why? Because the volatility is going to hit resistance, and then it's going to be time to be buying put options again, because that next reversal volatility will still come back into this market. Don't be fooled. And I'm just letting you know. This was good for what it was going to be good for. The identity, the entry, the exit, the profits, the title, subject, profit, and bear markets, just like we did over here. Here's where the lows were, right here. I can open this up just a little bit more, and I can go ahead and pull that down, and you can see that mathematically, when we had rallied up here, it gave it all back and came back. It tested that rally. It did. It tested the lows. They're right here in the platform and the algorithm. And then from there, it took off 2,100 points. Mathematically, when you have big down moves, you also get big up moves. That's the way it works. when you hit a certain spot, and you have the government bailing everything out around the world right now. They're trying to save everything, but the problem is the growth is not going to be the same. That's a different story. This pays a lot of money every day. Bear markets do. In our option pit, where market makers get into the free 5-day trial. Don't waste no time. You can believe what you see. Our risk management services, we have a separate unit for that, and that unit addresses all of that for people that have larger accounts and whatnot, and they want some training in how to hedge their losing positions or exit or get on the right side of the market or whatever the case is. Today was a nice up day, and this is what it looks like. And this is what that mathematical volatility was, right to the penny. The reversals are right here, and then we took off. And that is the bottom. And the diamonds led us higher. Oh, yes, they did. Look at that rally. Look at that rally. Look at that big pop. Look at this diamond. Look at that diamond right there. You see that? So basically, as I show it to you, I can show you right here, starting in here, is that we can see how we pop with the diamonds, mathematically consolidate them, pop again, and this guides you through the whole thing. And then we tested this top right here at that moment in time, and we went through it. And after we went through it, we had little pullbacks, but we still end up closing above it. So the bear market rallies are the biggest profit makers in the option pit. We have our own option pit, and we are the market maker, and we price the options. What you retail public people look at and operate with is totally different than the real deal. Is the person that makes the market. That is me. And you can take that free 5-day trial, and you can watch me, and you can see it, and you can believe what you see. I welcome you as my friend. Also, be advised, everybody, bear market rallies pay, but be advised, and bless your families, loved ones, and everyone in the world about this virus and all. Just take a moment of silence and beware and take care of yourselves and whatnot. And you can always join me in that live trading room. We can go ahead and we can go through that buys and we can go through those sales. Yes, because people never know when to sell, especially in bear market rallies and how they operate and the things that you need to have to power you. That's why I'm here right now. I'm here for you. 702-685-0772. I will see you in the live trading room.